Hey guys, how are you all? Today I'm going to do a totally different thing. I'm gonna do a quick sketch of a lady with deep thinking position on a black paper with color pencil. This is gonna be so interesting. If you are a beginner artist, you will learn so many things like body structure, emotional structure of the face, and the position of light. Hey guys, here I'm going to use white pencil and a black paper, and the pencil I have used is Dome's white color pencil. First, try to give the full focus on the outline. Forget all things and try to imagine only the source of light and dark side. Starting with the top portion of the hair and few hanging hairs. You need daily practice to achieve the accuracy on sketching of the structure of body parts of face like that. So forget all things, just keep to remember which is your source of light and which is your dark side. So this is my source of light and this is the black side. So focus on this concept and keep on setting just like this. So this is the eyebrow portion and this is the nose area, and the reflection of light will come to this point. So this area must be visible bright, and this is the eyebrow which should be black, and some amount of eyes must be visible here. So this is the area where I can see the eyelid. Also come to the next, see this area just like this. Here this portion must be visible. Okay. Right now I am focusing on neck. Right side must be bright and left side dark, and some body part will be visible. Now the outline of chest and dress must be focused on. Some folds of the dress randomly drawn. Imagine the area where light could fall on, as well as body curves. This needs practice. If you keep on trying this every day, you will be easily do that. So let's start shading. For this, observe the whole image for a while. You will be able to judge the area where light is there. Starting with the top, while pencil for primary layer and cream color for second layer, black color for hair strands I have used. Now take a cream color pencil and give a first layer throughout the face. Try to give a moderate pressure, not so high, not so less, just like this. Now take a white pencil and try to cover all the area, and black color for particular corrections. Again cream color for all over the face, and multiple sets of brown color for the transition of light from dark to bright side, just like this. Slowly you will have to change the pencil, and gradually you will have to come from dark area to bright area, and use a black color pencil for rectifying if there is a mistake in shading. Now again focus on hairs. Take a white color pencil and add some more strands of hair Now try to give a cream color shade on the areas where light is there. You need to be very perfect right now. Imagine the collarbones and shoulder portion where light should be there, and use different shades of brown color for giving the tones. And I have used a bright sea green color for her dress, and slowly I imagine some folds and dark area between the dress and actual skin, and I keep on shading with a bright color and some dark areas covered with blue color pencil as well as some purple color pencil, so that the fold of the dress should be highlighted, just like this. Just like this. Slowly you will have to imagine where the light could be there, where it would not be there. So imagine it and keep on shading, just like this. Now I have taken orange color and all the range of yellow color for the shrug she is using on her hand, and with this slowly I'm just giving the shades. Again for hand skin tone I have used cream color and dark brown color for the folds of the fingers. So this is all about my quick sketch, and you just share your experience with this video by the comments. I will wait for them. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next video, where I will surely available with a new tutorial which will be helpful for you. So subscribe my channel if you are a new viewer, and be with me. Take care. Bye. Keep sketching.